describe open source business intelligence in a few words?
First of all, business intelligence is the set of techniques and tools that allow to analyze data in order to take efficient decisions. In the last years, we saw a phenomenon of consolidation in the BI market that led to a narrow circle of leading actors with potential risk of cost growing and vendor lock-in. In parallel, we saw the development of open source platforms that help in reducing the cost of developing support systems by taking the best component of different open source tools and combining them into secure and reliable platforms by leveraging the flexibility which is an intrinsic characteristic of the open source business model.
Why do you think that open source business intelligence is a mature and reliable environment?
We have to consider that the first open source BI solutions, especially in reporting and multidimensional analysis, appeared more than 10 years ago. And in the meantime, all these communities has grown, and this solution has been used by several users and communities. In open source, the usage of a software solution is directly linked to its quality, because community can bring contributions, bug detection and resolution. In parallel, we saw the development of OSBI platforms such as SpagoBI, Jasper and Penta-U by big software vendors and experienced professionals, and this is a guarantee for their viability.
Open source is usually compared to proprietary solutions, which are leading the market. I know you don't agree with this comparison. Why?
There is a debate around which is the correct model to compare open source solutions towards proprietary ones. I believe that open source solutions should not only try to replicate the business process and models of proprietary solutions that can leverage their long-lasting presence on the market and the huge investments they have done. I believe that the real success of OSBI solutions rely on three factors. First of all, they should cover the functionalities that are mostly used by the customers. Second, they should have an open architecture and flexible architecture in order to propose themselves not as a substitute but as a complement to proprietary solutions. And finally, they should bring an added value, an innovative value that can really provide some functionalities that are not forcibly found in proprietary solutions.
What is open source actually doing to innovate the business intelligence market?
First of all, open source is proposing another model to develop BI solutions in a different and innovative way. Other models are appliances and software as a service. Open source BI gives the possibility to extend the usage of business intelligence in the enterprises and can generate a new demand of BI functions to which open source can answer in a flexible and reliable way. And furthermore, there are all the aspects of innovation that can be brought by BI, as for example geospatial analysis or KPI modeling.
What do you think will happen in BI open source near future?
First of all, I think that BI solutions are going to cover some functional gaps with proprietary solutions, as metadata management and performance aspects like, for example, the in-memory analysis. Then we will assist to the consolidation of some teams that are managed by research activities, as, for example, the federated search towards heterogeneous and scattered data sources. And finally, we will cover some actual research team as pervasive BI and distributed BI. On the services side, we should well understand the impact of new service models as software as a service and cloud computing.